If you copy-paste one video, you can earn $50. Copy-pasting 10 videos, you can earn up to $500. It's available worldwide, and you can earn the fastest $500 a day. So like this video, and let's start with the first step, which is to come over to whop.com, where you can make money clipping using the whop clipping program, which means you can just get paid for copy-pasting the videos of different famous creators to your completely new social media accounts. You don't need any followers for this, and there is no barriers to entry. As you can see, Saurabh from India has earned over $3,000 with whop clipping. AJ from the United States has earned close to $11,000 with whop content rewards. And there are many users from different countries around the world earning money with whop clipping copy-paste method. And the good thing is that you can get paid directly into your bank account through Stripe. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name and the payment methods available in your country, so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. So the first step is to sign up to whop. The registration process is very easy. I will leave a link to whop.com in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Once you log into your whop account, this is how your dashboard will look like. And to start earning money with whop clipping copy-paste method, choose the explore option from top. And you want to click on discover icon from the left. That's going to take you to this page where you need to scroll down a little bit and you will find the whop content rewards, where you can get paid for clipping content and even copy-pasting content, which I will show you in this video. So stay tuned. Now, you need to click on show all under the whop content rewards portion, and that's going to show you all the clipping opportunities available on whop right now. As you can see, post content on social media and get paid for the views you generate. So basically, in the whop content rewards, also known as the whop clipping program, you have the opportunity to paste short clips from already famous creators on different social media platforms and use their virality to make money online. For example, most of us know Iman Gadzi for his valuable financial YouTube videos, because almost all of his videos go viral on YouTube. And now, Iman Gadzi also has their content rewards program on Hope for people like you and me to clip their content and make money online. By doing this, Iman Gadzi will get more views and recognition on different platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube. And we will get the opportunity to earn $5 for every 1,000 views that we get on his videos. Now, step number 2, before I show you how to actually copy-paste these videos to go viral and my secret bonus tip to earn a ton of money every day, let me first show you the real-life examples of people earning money using the whop clipping program. And for this, we just need to go over to the submission section of the whop content rewards page. As you can see, this person, Kevin Dang, earned over $3,500 from this one video alone by just promoting whop UGC Creators Program, where they paid you $3.50 for every 1,000 views that you get. Another creator, AJ Banks, earned over $3,500 from this one video alone by promoting the same whop UGC program. Not only that, he created another video for the same program and earned another $3,300 promoting the same, which is really a great method to earn the maximum amount of money with whop clipping programs. As you can see, another user, Jaspreet, earned close to $2,500 by clipping content for this creator right here, where they were paying $1 per 1,000 views. But as you can see, this video got over 4.2 million views. Still, this user, Jaspreet, earned only $2,500. This is because either this whop content rewards program had a limit of $2,500 per video you promote, or the program got closed after they paid out the $14,000 budget they had for this program. Let me open this program for you guys to show you that this program is not available now. So let's open the whop page for this program, and that's going to take us to its whop content rewards page. Now we just need to click onto the content rewards from the left, and that's going to show us whether the program is available or not. As you can see, they still has 13 days to complete. But because the total budget for this program, that is $14,000, has already been paid to the whop content clippers like Jaspreet and other clippers, this program is closed for now until the owner of this program increases the budget for this program or creates the new program for this creator. So from the submission page, you can take the inspiration of how to create viral videos, because all of these are the viral videos created by the content clippers. As you can see, over 1 million views, over 2.8 million views, and over 4.2 million views on this video. And now the first secret bonus tip that no one's telling you on YouTube is that, for example, if you want to promote the whop UGC Creators Program too, what you can do is find the highest earners of this program from this submission page of whop content rewards. So as you can see, these are the highest earning clippers for this program, and there are some more clippers earning a little less. Now what you want to do is to click on their profile icon from there. Let's say we open the AJ Banks. That's going to show you their profile, where you can see the amount of money they earned in the last 24 hours, and the whop content rewards programs that helped him to earn the most amount of money. So as you can see, from Hop UGC Creators Program, he earned over $11,000 alone. From Faceless Instagram Pages Program, he earned over $140. From Imangatsi Content Rewards Program, he earned around $50, and so on. Now what you can do is you can also join these other programs where they are earning a good amount of money from, because these high earners are the experienced creators, and they joined the programs that they can benefit the most from. And if you copy them, you can earn a good amount of money too. Not only that, if you notice this, there are different Instagram and TikTok accounts mentioned in their profile. These are the accounts that AJ Banks used to promote the whop content rewards programs. So you can also take a look at all of these Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and other social media accounts, and take inspiration of what content they shared on their social media accounts, what tags they used, what description they used in those videos, and so on. Now, once you understand how the things work here, the step number 3 is to join the whop content reward program from the creators you would like to clip content for. You can of course join multiple creators on whop that you like and that you think can earn a good amount of money for you by clipping content. There are literally hundreds of creators you can join on whop content rewards. As you can see, there are 10 pages of whop content rewards program that you can join from. But first of all, you need to click here on the type section, and you need to select the clipping option from there. And now you will be shown only with the clipping content reward programs, and you can see there are still 7 pages of Hop content rewards programs which you can choose from and start to earn money online. But the one that's going to give you the money for copy pasting videos is this one, Audio Labs. As you can see, here you just need to repost the clips from their resources, and you can start to earn money online as soon as your clip starts getting views. Here you can see the amount of money you will be earning per 1,000 views. And these are the platforms that you need to upload their clips on. So you need to copy paste their clips on Instagram and TikTok to make money clipping with their whop clipping program. Now to join their whop clipping program, you just need to click on it, and then you just need to click on the join button right here. It will take a few seconds, and you will be immediately joined to their whop clipping program, and you will be taken to their whop store, where you can find the different content rewards program that they are offering right now. And the good thing is that you can now start promoting any of these programs. So for example, if you want to earn money for copy pasting clips from the Zed's Coachella set, where you will be paid 85 cents per 1,000 views you get, all you need to do is to click on it, and that's going to take you to its whop store page, where you can see the number of days left for this program to complete and the amount of money it has paid to the clippers till now. And now these are the most important requirements, so pay close attention to them. The maximum amount that you can get paid per video is $500. The platforms where you can promote this video is Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, or also known as X, and the YouTube. Plus, make sure you comply with the other important requirements mentioned in the requirements section over here, such as your video must be 10 seconds long, volume must be 80% plus, minimum 1,000 views on your video to be approved, etc. Once you read all these requirements and understand what you need to do, here you will get assets to promote, so just click on it and you will be taken to this page where you can find different clips of their concert at Coachella. Now you can watch these clips from their concert, and you can download the ones that you like the most, or that you think has the most chance of getting the most amounts of views. Now once you download the clips, the step number 4 is to create your new social media accounts for promoting these clips and repost these clips on those accounts. You need to create different social media accounts on different platforms that are allowed in this whop clipping program. You can create an account on only one platform, or you can create the account on different platforms mentioned over here. That's completely your choice until and unless something is specifically specified in the requirements section. Also, the other bonus tip is that you can create multiple accounts on the same platform like Instagram to just promote one whop clipping program. This will increase your chances of getting viral on that platform and to earn the most amount of money online. Now, the most important thing is that make sure you submit the link of your video within first 1 hour of publishing your videos by pressing the submit button right here, so that you don't miss out on any money that you deserve. Also, you need to upload the original clip here which you published on your social media account. And from now, the whop will start tracking your views after hour, and you will start the earn money every hour if you keep on getting 1,000 views. For example, if you copy paste only one video from this whop clipping program to your social media account, and that video gets 60,000 views, you will earn over $50 for just posting that one video. If you post 10 videos like that and get the same amount of just 60,000 views on each video, which is very easy to get on these social media platforms nowadays, you will get paid $500 in just a day for posting those 10 videos. So just click the first link in the description of this video or the pinned comment. Come over to whop.com and start earning your fast $500 per day from today itself. Let me know in the comment section down below if you have any questions regarding this method. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.